remember vividly that IREF was first tested at the off-season, by-election in Nasarawa State. And I remember at the consultative meeting, you defended it, that it was a huge success. And suddenly, you, who spearheaded the revolution, also the BVAS, on the eve of the election, you were removed, you were transferred. Will you advise INEC that a person in your position that was removed on the eve of the election, that we now witness a glitch, to be removed this time around?
Yes, you're correct. But I need to also inform you that we started these digital systems as far back as 2003 when we did OMR4. I was involved. And after that, we ran a lot of programs, a lot of cancellations. I won't say why some of them. But Jega came in, and new ideas came in, and we brought this microreader. Let me say this, we're Africans. People like to cheat. And if you are doing any design, you do the design based on your environment. So the first thing we needed to do is to register people. That was done. We solved that. We moved to the next stage, which is, why should 500 people come to polling units and you see 5,000 results? So we should make sure at least we record 500, so that even if you want to rig within 500. That was what we used. I'm being honest, as an engineer, you have to look at reality. So we did that. Microreader was done, but there was a problem with microreader because it can only take fingerprints. We look at facial recognition. We brought in it. So my dear brother, yes, we started the BVAS and other things at Nasarawa. We did not count all the elections we did from Nasarawa till before 2023 elections, and things were all going well. So whatever that happened in 2023 election, we're all learning. We have to look at what the issues and then improve on it. For my movement, the commission has the right to move me at any time because I'm a civil servant. I'm retired now, so I can move anywhere I want.
So quickly.